Welcome to our virtual law legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of UFC Philippines v. Fiesta Barrio, GR number 198889. This landmark case was decided by the Supreme Court of the Philippines on January 20, 2016. Let's dive right into it. Facts. UFC Philippines Incorporated, UFC, is the registered owner of the trademark Papa for a variety of food products, including ketchup. Fiesta Barrio Manufacturing Corporation, Barrio Fiesta, filed an application with the Intellectual Property Office, IPO, for the trademark Papa Boy and device for a lechon sauce product. UFC opposed the application, claiming that the Papa Boy and device mark is confusingly similar to its Papa mark. The IPO Board of Appeals, IPO-BLA, denied UF's opposition, finding that the two marks are not confusingly similar. UF appealed the IPO-BLA's decision to the Director General of the IPO, who affirmed the decision. UF then filed a petition for review with the Court of Appeals, CA, which also affirmed the IPO-BLA's decision. Issue: whether the Papa Boy and device mark is confusingly similar to the Papa mark. Ruling: the Supreme Court granted UF's petition and reversed the CA's decision. The court held that the Papa Boy and device mark is confusingly similar to the Papa mark because the dominant feature of both marks is the word Papa. The court also found that the two marks are used for related products, namely, food sauces. As a result, the court ruled that there is a likelihood of confusion between the two marks, and that UF's exclusive right to use the Papa mark was violated. Rationale: the court applied the dominancy test in determining whether the two marks are confusingly similar. Under the dominancy test, the dominant feature of a mark is the feature that is most likely to be remembered by consumers. In this case, the dominant feature of both marks is the word Papa. The word Papa is a common term of endearment for one's father, but it is also used as a brand name for a variety of products, including food sauces. As a result, the court found that the Papa Boy and device mark is likely to be confused with the Papa mark, even though the two marks are not identical. Significance: the UFC Philippines v. Fiesta Barrio case is significant because it clarifies the application of the dominancy test in determining whether two marks are confusingly similar. The court's ruling in this case is important for businesses that use trademarks, as it provides guidance on how to protect their intellectual property rights. That's all for this episode. What do you think about the topic? Feel free to comment and suggest what topic you want us to discuss on the next video. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding the law helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.